Perfect, you're back. Let's do a quick update. Let's go up the spiral staircase, up to the office and see what's begun. We've had this a week now, so progress is quite fast. Just up here is just the beginning of some sample, some nice black paint going on, so yeah, make it really nice and sleek. In the office, you'll see the door is no more. This wall was pretty bad and we need structural integrity for cupboards and things like that. So new stub work going in, some more verticals still required. Bit of ceiling work, just chasing down the cables, getting ready for the LED lights and the positions that we want those in. No wall, no door. That's beginning to come apart. So that will begin. Very shortly, this one is completely gone. So before there was a glass wall here running down the center. So that's gone. We've lifted the ceiling up just so that we've got more headroom. And you can see the stud work this side. Other than that, this room here is pretty much intact. It was just mainly the wall. The electrician's got to do his magic. This remains untouched. This will be the main cutting room. We'll get to this at some point. So we'll go back down the stairs. Again, some more sample work of the new colours going on the stairs. Should really liven it up. Quite a bit of change down here. And here we are. So big change up here with the ceiling. So we've stripped it out, got rid of all the old cabling, and we're just reworking the frame just so that it's all nice and level. There's extra extractions and things like that going in so that when we're cutting bungees and webbings and things like that, that the smell dissipates. Quite a change here. Originally the wall, if you remember, was across here. That's now gone, as has the ceiling. So this is all getting prepared, ready for all the light bays, which will fully illuminate this end of the machining table. So yeah, that's all ready. We've just got a pretty miserable job. Get that all off the windows, get the light really streaming in. Just maximize natural light, just make it really nice. We're in a really nice industrial estate here, which is full of trees and things like that. So it's really nice just to get a bit of that outside, inside. If we go through here, not so much of a change. Kitchenette, it's just more of a dumping ground for tools at the moment. One of the bathrooms has begun being stripped out. There's a very lovely turquoise loose seat going free if anyone needs one, but that will continue, as will the same with the other bathroom. That's just being stripped out, and then we're back here, back in the reception. So that's 1 week's progress. We're going to keep up the fast pace. We want to get into our new home as quick as possible. So keep up with our socials, come back and see where we are soon.